Hi everyone, ready to protect your assets and save on taxes? Today I'm showing you exactly how to start a Wyoming LLC from scratch. Wyoming is incredibly business-friendly, but the steps can be confusing. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll dive into the specific tax and privacy benefits that make Wyoming so unique. Next, I'll walk you through the actual filing process using a registered agent to keep your home address private. Then we'll secure your EIN so you can actually start doing business. Finally, I'll break down the real ongoing costs and compliance rules so you never have to worry about fines or losing your company. Whether you're a local freelancer or an international entrepreneur, this is your guide. Let's get legal. First and foremost, Wyoming offers massive tax benefits, including 0% state income tax for both individuals and corporations. This means you keep 100% of your business profits and personal income at the state level. Beyond taxes, the state provides a business-friendly environment with low filing fees and minimal administrative hurdles. Wyoming is also renowned for its world-class asset protection and strict privacy laws. For non-U.S. residents, this is a game changer. You can form and manage Wyoming LLC from anywhere globally while enjoying full legal protection. However, staying compliant is critical. Every LLC must file an annual report starting on the first day of its anniversary month. It is vital to stay on top of this, as missing the deadline can result in heavy fines or the state dissolving your company entirely. Overall, Wyoming provides a powerful, private, and cost-effective foundation for your business. Before diving into the formation process, let's clarify what a Wyoming LLC actually is. A limited liability company combines the tax flexibility of a partnership with the robust liability protection of a corporation. Crucially, it creates a separate legal entity, meaning your personal assets, like your home and savings, are shielded from business debts and legal claims. One vital step is appointing a registered agent. This is an official representative located in Wyoming responsible for receiving legal and government notices. While you could technically list your own address, I highly advise against it. Doing so places your personal details on the public record for anyone to find. Furthermore, if you aren't available during business hours to sign for critical documents, you risk missing legal deadlines. Using a professional service ensures your privacy remains protected, you never miss an urgent notice, and your business stays in good standing with the state. For this tutorial, I'll guide you through the formation process using Northwest Registered Agent. Having used them for my own filings, I can confirm they are reliable, fairly priced, and simplify the entire experience. Once you land on their homepage, click Let's Get You Started. On the configuration page, select LLC as your business type and Wyoming as your state. You will immediately see the transparent pricing, a $39 service fee plus the $104 Wyoming state filing fee, which includes the $4 online convenience fee. This straightforward approach ensures no hidden costs, allowing you to establish your business professionally and affordably while keeping your personal information off the public record from day one. Now we can click Continue and move into the section where we fill in the actual information for your new company. First up is the company name. This name must be unique within the state of Wyoming, and it has to end with a designator like Limited Liability Company or LLC. For this example, I am going to use the name Test LLC. The next question asks if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. For the vast majority of people starting out, this is not relevant, so I am going to click No. Then, for the business purpose, you can fill in exactly what you plan to do, whether that's drop shipping, running a marketing agency, or consulting. For the sake of simplicity, you can also just select Use Generic Business Purpose, which is what I personally did. Next, we address the physical and mailing addresses. For both of these options, I highly recommend selecting the registered agent address. This is the best way to keep your private home address off the public records. After that, we click Continue to select the company management structure. You have two options, Member Managed or Manager Managed. For most small business owners, Member Managed is the best choice. You'll fill in your first and last name and assign it to the registered agent's address. If you have partners, you can click Add Member to include them as well.
After filling in your contact information, which Northwest keeps private for billing purposes, you'll see a section for business identity. This includes optional services like a business website, an email address, and a phone number. I generally recommend that you do not use these through the filing service, as you can often find better, more specialized options elsewhere. However, the next optional item is absolutely critical, the EIN, also known as the Employer Identification Number. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is your federal tax ID, and it's strictly necessary if you want to open a business bank account, hire employees, or file your taxes. While you can technically get an EIN yourself from the IRS for free, it can be a major hassle, especially if you're not familiar with the forms. Northwest can handle this for you for a small fee. If you're a non-U.S. resident, I especially recommend letting them handle it, as the process for foreigners is significantly more complex and time-consuming. Let's talk about the real costs, because transparency is vital for business planning. For the initial formation, the Wyoming state filing fee is $104, the Northwest fee is $39, and the EIN service is around $50. This brings your total startup investment to roughly $200. But you must also factor in the ongoing costs. Every year, you must pay $60 to the state for your annual report. Additionally, the registered agent service usually costs about $125 per year after the first year. This means your recurring annual cost is approximately $185. I mention this now because you need to treat your LLC as a long-term commitment. In terms of the timeline, Wyoming is incredibly efficient. Your LLC is usually formed within 1 to 2 business days. The EIN process typically takes 1 to 2 weeks when handled by a service. Once everything is approved, you'll get digital access to your articles of organization, your EIN confirmation, and your operating agreement. Wyoming's tax structure is where the state truly shines. Most LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities. This means the business itself doesn't pay a corporate income tax. Instead, the profits pass through to the owners, who report them on their personal tax returns. Since Wyoming has no state income tax, you avoid that extra layer of taxation entirely. If you're a U.S. resident, you still owe federal taxes. But if you're a non-U.S. resident operating outside the U.S., you could potentially achieve a 0% total tax setup depending on your home country's laws. Finally, do not forget your annual report. If you miss the filing deadline, the state will give you a 60-day grace period. If you fail to pay within that window, the state of Wyoming will administratively dissolve your LLC, and you could lose your business name and liability protection. I've seen people lose their entire business because they simply forgot to file this simple $60 report. To wrap things up, Wyoming is an unbeatable choice for LLCs thanks to zero state taxes and elite privacy. To stay compliant and keep your home address off public records, I highly recommend using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.